In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use reminders instead of notifications. We're going to walk through a simple way to turn a regular task into something that gently nudges you at exactly the right time, instead of relying on constant notifications that can easily be missed or become overwhelming. First, open your task in your workspace or project management tool. Look for the three dots menu next to the task name. This is usually called the Options or More Actions menu. It's often found on the right side of the task row or near the task title. Click on those three dots. This menu is where you'll find additional features that aren't shown by default, and one of those is the reminder option. Once the menu opens, look for the option labeled Remind Me. Go ahead and click on Remind Me. By doing this, you're telling the system that you don't just want another standard notification. You want a scheduled reminder that appears at a specific time that works for you. This is especially helpful for tasks that aren't urgent right now, but are important later in the day, week, or month. After clicking Remind Me, a reminder window or panel will appear. This is where you fill in the details. Take a moment to choose the exact date and time when you want to be reminded. Think about when you'll realistically be able to work on this task, not just the earliest possible time. If there are options for how you'll receive the reminder, such as in-app, email, or another channel, pick the one you're most likely to see. If there's a field for a note or description, you can add a short message to your future self, like what the next step is or any context you might forget later. Being specific here can save you time and help you get started faster when the reminder pops up. When you're happy with the details you've entered, click on the Submit button. This confirms and saves your reminder. Once you submit, the system will handle the rest and notify you at the time you've set, so you don't have to keep the task in your head or rely on general notifications that might get buried. And that's it. By using reminders this way, you create a more intentional, focused way of managing your tasks and make sure important items